Alright, what's up YouTube? Lil Bones Leo here, back at you with the other video with the drone. Sorry it took a little bit longer than expected, but I was waiting for a little bit nicer weather outside. And today looks perfect. So we'll do it today, and we'll do the unboxing of this guy and get it all set up for you. And today, so this is the XP650 4-axis drone with 1080p. Voice control, gestures for video, so you can like wave at it to make it fly, trajectory flight, photo video, altitude hover, 1-key turn, 1-key takeoff land, headless mode, 360 flip camera, and emergency stop. So this drone was $70, guys. We're gonna see what all entails with 70 bucks in a drone. Here we go. So inside, we got a little thank you note, and we won the free gift, which looks like I sign up for something, they give me an additional something. Cool. And has a warranty that comes with it too. So activate 12-month warranty. So it gives you a whole year. So if you total this thing, you just send it back. Looks like it comes with a controller. And that probably just takes some like AA batteries, but we'll open it up to be sure. It looks like an instruction manual. Extra blades, because you know we're probably going to break some, I'm sure of it. That's kind of cool. That's like something you see in the bigger drone kits. We'll pull this sticker off and just stick it to the box there. What else we got in here? More drone replacement pieces. Those are the blade guards, I'm guessing, that you can put on if you so choose. Some kind of clip, we'll find out what that does. And this looks like it has a screwdriver and some cables in there for charging, possibly. A little USB. So we'll open that up. And let's pull this guy out. This is the drone itself. Let you guys get a full shot of this guy. Oh yeah, it looks like that clip is what helps hold it up. There's the camera. Has a little protector on the lens there we'll pull off. And a little battery pack. Sweet. I'm already excited to see what it does. And this is the lithium ion battery. I'm guessing I'm probably gonna have to charge this guy, so I'll be back once it's fully charged. That was all you get. So let's open up some of these bags and see what's inside here. Here's the battery here, little lithium ion battery. What's in bag number 2? So it looks like you can just plug the drone straight into the computer and data transfer. It's pretty cool. Or it might be to charge the battery. It's probably to charge the battery, Leo. Screwdriver. Add it to my collection. Look how small that Phillips is. Like, here's my finger. It's almost like a needle. And another cable. So it looks like you can plug maybe the drone in with this one or the other one without having to take the battery out to charge it. Comes with a bunch of itty bitty screws, I'm guessing, for the blade guards for the drone. So it looks like we're gonna have to assemble some of this. And last bag. This just looks like blades, guys, so I'm not gonna open this one, just because I want to keep them nice for when I need them. But it looks like we're gonna have to install these onto the drone. Okay, so this guy here Okay, so this guy here with that little screwdriver, we're just going to take this screw out real quick like. And for the controller, it has 4 AA batteries. Oh, it's magnetic. Awesome. That's actually cool because little screws suck. We'll just pop this in, put 4 of these. I buy Rayovacs, guys. I'm a hardcore gamer. These are the best batteries. You can get like a 30 pack for 10 bucks at Walmart. They last just as long as the Duracells. We'll pop that in. And we'll put this little screw in here. And there we have it. That'll be our flight if we don't use a phone. Now we're installing the landing skids, which are these little plastic pieces that clip in, and 2 little screws hold them down. So we'll throw those together. Alright guys, got the legs on. If you have big hands like me, those tiny little screws really suck to get in there. But I did get them in, so that's what the legs on. And I believe next we're going to be putting the fan covers in place around the drum. Okay, so I did notice one thing with this drone, guys. They didn't send me enough screws, so I have no screws to hold the protectors on after I've tightened the leg skids down. I have literally 2 screws left and 4 of those. So I'm going to try and fly it without having the screws and the protectors. If these do end up flying off and breaking a blade or something, they're just protectors for when you land and stuff. So I'll probably just run the drone without them if they become an issue, but I'm going to try. They do click in nice, so I don't think they're going to come off. Alright guys, and so I got the Snap 10 app downloaded here. So it'll find my device and connect with it. And there's a bunch of different settings you can do, and in here it also has flight controls. So let's do startup, I believe. So you have all of those features. If you want to stop the film and read through them, you can. And there's more. That's for your controller. And just some reminders there for you. So this is a really intricate app for the drone. Has tons and tons and tons of features. So far I'm very impressed. I did take it out and tried to fly it, guys, and it got really freaking windy. And I put it in a tree. So, but yeah, and then you can just upload directly to a social media site, it looks like, from here as well.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can